You gave me everything I wanted. You taught me everything I needed to know. You helped me with everything when I was down. What more can I ask for? You are my better half in the trust sense. With you, I can be me and can never be judged. Thank you for being in my life, dear girlfriend. What does a man need to be happy? He needs a woman who will light his heart and beauty his life. I am one happy man. Thinking about you reminds me of how lucky I am to have you in my life. The emptiness in my life vanished when you entered my life. Thank you for removing the void, all the love from the deepest ocean of my heart will fall short when I want to say how much I adore you, my beautiful girlfriend. Just be with me forever and ever like a flying bird. You came into my life. Your smile was the strength that let me take the plunge. I did not think that I would ever be this way, but you have changed everything for me. I wish there were nothing else in the world to do except to close myself in your eyes. I would do that for the rest of my lifetime. I know I will see you tonight at home, but I cannot help missing you the entire day. I do not say it enough, but I want you to know that I adore you. I am not sure how long and I will live, but I know that every single second will be worth a lifetime because it will be spent with you. I am having one of those days that make me realize how lost I would be without you. I am a gifted person to have you as my gifted girlfriend. I thought about you today and it made me single. Every time I see a smile on your face, every time I get up by your side, I get happy. It is impossible not to sleep with you. I want to be with you until we are old, and although we will no longer be the same, I know that I will still care for you very much as long as there is me. Your heart will be the best it can ever be. To keep your heart broken is a promise I am willing to keep forever. Honey, good morning, my beautiful queen. I hope you had sweet dreams of use together, because when I dream of you, that is all I do. I dream of our day to day life and what we will look like with weakness and gray hair. I guess I am picturing forever with you. We will have those fights like any couple and make possible personality like there is no tomorrow. In my dreams too, the thought of you makes me come alive, and when I am with you, there's now here else I would rather be. You melt my heart, baby. Thanks for loving me for who I am and believing in me even when I couldn't. I will cherish you with everything I have. You are everything I have in this world and much more. My heart races at the thought of you. I can't wait to see you later tonight. I wish you were here with me to grab my arms and pull me into your warm cuddle. I miss you, baby. I thank God every day for bringing you my way. There is no way I would have done this on day. My You will be my woman forever. I cherish you lots. I searched for the woman who would compliment me in all ways and found you ever since. I loved you into my life. It has been all bliss and no regrets. I pray for you this morning. Have a bliss filled day and always remember that someone somewhere misses you and wishes you well.